I've got that chilly will. Let's get some Baltimore beats. Swing down round to the hill. Ghetto blasting 10 speeds. This life up north got thrills. But you aren't focused like me, so let's go do it to the ill bass hum. Nightlife with the knife light flowing. Ass drop low to the beat that's going. That sounds nice, we already did it twice, but we still gotta make it to 3. I don't think you should've worn them shoes. Not me right here, cause right here we get loose. Imagine going back to the slums and bumping some stones over djembe drums. Come on. I don't give a fuck if it's dark or not. I draw the sunrise twice on all the chalk I got. The goddamn chance of cops in the parking lot. Thought they got the best of S-Dot Rock. Escape, I'm stoked and stop with cold buzz. Why just watch when I'm at a million? If you're willing to feel it, you can cease the chillin' and consume a new feeling. Bumping some stones, bumping some stones, bumping some stones, bumping some stones over djembe drums. Come on, bumping some stones, 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 bumping some stones. Down here, cause right here we get loose. Not down here, cause right here we get loose, loose. Right here we get loose, loose. Get loose. Not down here, cause right here we get loose.